Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with OneDrive for file workflow syncing, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in OneDrive.com and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the sign up for free button and click on it. You'll be redirected to a sign up page. If you already have a Microsoft account, enter your email and click next. If not, select the option to create a new account. Fill in the required information, including your name and a password. Make sure to create a strong password to keep your account secure. After filling in your details, click the Next button. Microsoft may ask to verify your identity through a code sent to your email or phone. Check your email or phone for the verification code and enter it in the provided field. Once verified, you'll be prompted to set up your account preferences. Select your preferred language and region, then click Next. You may then be asked, read through the terms, and if you agree, check the box and click Accept. After this, you'll see a welcome screen. Click Next to start exploring OneDrive. To sync files, locate the OneDrive app on your computer or download it if necessary. Follow the installation instructions to set up the OneDrive application. Once installed, open the OneDrive app and log in with your Microsoft account. Choose the folders you'd like to sync between your device and OneDrive. Click Next and start syncing. This may take a few moments. After syncing, your files will be accessible across all devices linked to your OneDrive account. You're now ready to use OneDrive for your file workflow syncing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.